Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. If you work in market, opinion or social research, or you are just trying to understand the standards behind professional research projects, then this video is for you. Today we are diving into project planning under ISO 20252-2019. One of the most important steps to ensure quality and consistency in any research study. Let's get started. Why project planning matters? Project planning is the foundation of every successful research project. Without proper planning, research can become messy, unreliable, and even unethical. That's why ISO 20252 puts a strong emphasis on clear, structured, and documented project planning, especially in clause 4 of the standard. So let's break down what ISO 20252 says about planning a project properly. What ISO 20252 requires in project planning. Here are the key components of project planning as per ISO 20252-2019. Define objectives and scope. The first step is to clearly define what is the purpose of the research, what are the key questions to answer, who are the target respondents. This ensures that everyone from clients to field teams is on the same page. Develop a research design. This includes choosing the methodology, quantitative, qualitative or mixed, sampling techniques, data collection tools, online surveys, interviews, etc. The design must be fit for purpose and documented. Set timeliness and milestones. Every research project needs a realistic timeline with clear milestones such as questionnaire development, fieldwork period, data processing, report delivery. This helps keep the project on track and avoid delays. Assign responsibilities. ISO 20252 requires that the roles and responsibilities of all team members are clearly defined. This helps prevent confusion and ensures accountability throughout the project. Risk assessment and quality checks. Potential risk, like low response rates or data quality issues, must be identified in advance. Also, the plan should include quality control measures, data validation steps, contingency plans. This ensures that the final output is reliable and meets client expectations. Communication plan. ISO 20252 emphasizes transparent communication with clients and team members. That includes regular updates, approvals, and clear records of any changes to the project plan. Documentation is key. Here is something very important. All planning steps must be well documented, not just informally. ISO 20252 requires that you keep records of research design, sampling plans, questionnaires, changes during the project, final deliverables. This improves transparency and helps during audits or client reviews. To summarize, project planning under ISO 20252 is all about clarity, structure, accountability, quality. Following this process helps research agencies deliver projects that are on time, within scope and high in quality, just as clients expect. So that was a quick guide to project planning under ISO 20252-2019. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below, especially if you want more videos on ISO 20252 or other quality standards in research. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.